Google's free Market Finder tool can help you find global market to export your products to market. Finder uses Google unique data insight to help businesses like inform decision about international growth in a matter of seconds. Suresh has founded a juice store. Market Finder can help Suresh to discover potential export market, develop a marketing strategy and understand the operation of every step. Start exploring your growth opportunities. Suresh gets started by entering his website URL Market Finders, scan the website and identify the relevant categories for Suresh market. Based on the product that he can, combining the product categories with Google's unique data insights and search volume metric, Market Finder select the 3 markets with the highest export potential with the Suresh business. Suresh created and completed his profile. Select your potential markets, selecting and confirming the key export markets in order to dive deeper into the matrix and the logistics of each one. Suresh explored the market insight to discover key information about each market, such as the country economic and online profile. Using a market finder, Suresh can easily compare each potential market to his current one. The insight can show how much people earn on average and numbers of the monthly searches for juices, as well as the ease of doing business in that market and the logistics of exporting. This information allow Suresh to benchmark each market against existing one and plan his market export strategy. Suresh has analyzed the potential new market for juice bits and now wants to plan his operation. Suresh uses Market Finder to understand which payment method is the best for the US market and search a payment provider that can help him to export market. After setting up his operation, Suresh wants to discover how to reach the right audience in the US. He used Market Finder to create an international marketing strategy to support his advertising and measure his success abroad. Guides, article and case studies perfect to his business objective are at his disposal, and Suresh can learn about popular keyword with data useful sources from Google Trend. Just one of the useful tool and service available to him. With the help of market create campaign for his new market.